The gloss black Jeep Gladiator D-Coder concept carries more than 35 JPP and Mopar accessories, each painted in contrasting Maraschino Red and labeled with QR, quick response codes, making this high-performance off-roader a rolling catalog of factory-tested and factory-backed items available for customer purchase. Each scannable QR code provides a live link to the Mopar eStore consumer website for specific part numbers, specifications, and pricing information. Enhanced QR codes on the bedside and hood link to the current JPP catalog. Up front on the Gladiator D-Coder concept is a Rubicon 3-piece modular bumper carrying a single hoop tubular grille and winch guard with a pair of TYRI 7-inch LED off-road lights just above a Rubicon Warn winch. A JPP 2-inch lift kit with Fox shocks helps provide ample room for the JPP 17 by 8.5-inch 5-spoke beadlock wheels riding on BFGoodrich KM3 37-inch tires. On the front passenger side, a JPP snorkel keeps water out of the 3.6-liter Pentastar engine when fording through high water depths, while safely allowing air into the Mopar cold air intake system under the hood. Completing the powertrain upgrade is a free-flowing Mopar catback dual exhaust system. A JPP Gorilla Glass windshield offers up to 3 times the strength of a standard windshield. A pair of TYRI 5-inch LED lights mount securely in JPP A-pillar mounting brackets on each side of the cowl area. Heavy-gauge steel JPP rock rails provide protection for the lower body panels and sit just below the JPP tube doors, fitted with JPP tube door mirrors on both sides. Additional rock rails protect the truck bed behind the rear wheels and feature a replaceable nylon rock rail trim cover. Mopar grab handles assist with easy entry and exit into the lifted cabin, while a Mopar mesh sunbonnet provides an enhanced open-air experience. The distinct Maraschino Red contrasting theme continues inside the cabin of the Gladiator D-Coder concept with catskin leather covering both rows of seats. An enhanced QR code on each seat links directly to the catskin website for details on customizable leather options, including colors, stitching and accents, along with real-time pricing information. Rounding out the interior are Mopar accessories, including 4 door sill guards, stainless steel pedal covers, and all-weather floor mats throughout. Inside the truck bed, which is protected by a spray and textured Mopar bed liner, a set of mounted Mopar bed rails carry a full low-profile cargo basket for additional storage space.